Welcome to Clouded. In this lesson, we will learn about graphic design. So, what is graphic design? Suppose you want to announce or sell something, inform or persuade someone, explain a complicated system or demonstrate a process. In other words, you have a message you want to communicate. How do you send it? You could tell people one by one or broadcast by radio or a loudspeaker. That's verbal communication. But if you use any visual medium at all, if you make a poster, type a letter, create a business logo, a magazine ad, or an album cover, even make a computer printout, you are using a form of visual communication called graphic design. Graphic designers work with drawn, painted, photographed, or computer-generated images, but they also design the letter forms that make up various typefaces found in movie credits and TV ads, in books, magazines, and menus, and even on computer screens. Designers create, choose, and organize these elements, typography, images, and the so-called white space around them, to communicate a message. Graphic design is a part of your daily life. From humble things like gum wrappers to huge things like billboards to the t-shirt you're wearing, graphic design informs, persuades, organizes, stimulates, locates, identifies, attracts attention and provides pleasure. Graphic design is a creative process that combines art and technology to communicate ideas. The designer works with a variety of communication tools in order to convey a message from a client to a specific audience. The main tools are image and typography.